and I drink nice kombucha. Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are all well. How are you coping with this COVID-19? Do you wash your hands very often? I do try to strengthen my immune system, so I've done gut cleansing and liver cleansing and eaten healthily, and I exercise regularly, and I drink nice kombucha. Today I'm going to show you super healthy Dandelion and Burdock Kombucha. Here in the UK there is a Dandelion and Burdock pop, which is a soft drink. My husband still loves it. The combination of dandelion and burdock roots together dig deep into your system and strengthen your body, making it inhospitable for toxins. In Korea we eat these burdock roots as a side dishes. I put some images in here, and these days we also make tea. Burdock roots has been traditionally used for soothing the kidneys and as a blood cleanser, relieving the lymph system, rheumatism, gut and skin problems. Burdock root is one of those rare herbs that stimulate lymphatic drainage and detoxification. Dandelion leaf and roots have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat liver, gallbladder, kidney alignment, weak digestion and rheumatism. They are also considered mild laxative, and the leaves have traditionally been used as a diuretic. Both dandelion and burdock roots are good for detoxing and taste good as well. So this will enhance the benefits of kombucha. Okay, let's start. I'm going to make a dandelion and burdock tea for kombucha. This is dandelion root, 2 tablespoons dandelion roots and 3 tablespoons burdock roots. When I make a jasmine tea, when the water is boiled, I switch off and then put the tea bags in or tea leaves in. But this one, I cook with it for 10 minutes. When it starts boiling, I can reduce the heat and simmering for 10 minutes. That's how I make dandelion and burdock tea. If you like to just drink like that, that is very good tea too. See, the color is coming out from the roots. The color is more coming out. The smell is lovely. I mean, this is a sweet smell, naturally sweet smell. I think the burdock is quite sweet. I love it. It's just boiling now, so I will reduce the heat and simmering for 10 minutes. So this is well cooked, so I will switch off now, and then when it's cooled down a little bit, I will dissolve sugar. Okay, it's all done. So, ooh, hot, hot, hot. 2 cups of sugar, 1, 2, and dissolve the sugar. The smell is really earthy smell. You can just drink tea like that without sugar. I quite like it when I make a kombucha with dandelion and burdock tea. I'm going to cool it down and then I will make a kombucha. This is already made dandelion and burdock kombucha, so I'm going to bottle it and then make a new kombucha today. Burdock root is one of those rare herbs that stimulate lymphatic drainage and detoxification. I think this is very important for our lymph system. It has antioxidant and help digestion. Burdock root contains inulin, so soluble and prebiotic fiber that helps improve your digestion. So this is very good if you don't have a good digestive system. Burdock roots contains multiple types of powerful antioxidants. Especially the antioxidant in burdock root helps to protect the liver against poisonous substances. Dandelion herbs are specially indicated in detoxification of the liver, restoring hydration along with electrolyte balance. So both help the liver detoxification. So I recommend you to make this one because it is distinctive flavor than normal black tea or jasmine tea, and lots of health benefit as well. You know, the kombucha itself has a lot of health benefit, but with the dandelion and burdock will be even more. So yeah, I take this scoby out first. This is a newly made one. On the bottom there's another one. When I make this batch, I add this scoby, and then it generates this scoby, new scoby. This is a newish scoby. This is old one. Okay, I will taste first this time. Smell is like a normal kombucha, not jasmine kombucha. So it is sweet at the same time it is tart-y. Okay, one is done. I don't do second fermentation with the dandelion and burdock one. I do with the jasmine time to time, but now with the dandelion and burdock, so I drink it as it is. I will empty the jar. See, that's why I use sieve. I will swirl this big jar with filtered water. You don't need to use soapy water. Dandelion and burdock tea is cooled down, so pour it. Dandelion and burdock roots tend to have this soil, so it is on the bottom, it always has this soil, so I will throw it out, and I will add the filtered water because I make the very strong dandelion and burdock tea, so I will add filtered water till here. So this is the filtered water. So this pan is 2.8 liter one, so it's 2.8 liter, and there was another liter there, so it's like almost 4 liters. Now you can use either both or a new one, but I will use this, and then I'm going to give this to friends. She's gonna come today, and then I'm going to give this to her, so she can make her own kombucha. So I will use old one and pour this already made kombucha. Quickly wipe around the lymph. Seems okay. And cover it. Flies or any insects can't go in. So put the date on. And what's in it? Dandelion and burdock in. Leave it in there. So it's all done. This will take 2 to 3 weeks. In my case, usually 3 weeks. If you like very fermented one or less fermented and do second fermentation, it's all up to you. You have to find your own way or your favorite status. Okie dokie. This dandelion and burdock has lots of benefits, so please make your own dandelion and burdock kombucha. Hope you enjoy my recipe, and thanks for watching, and be healthy and happy. See you next time. Bye.